Scott the Nature Guy. You've probably noticed that some plants stay green all year round. Those are called evergreens. Let's take a look at some. An evergreen is a plant that keeps its leaves and color throughout the year and into the next growing season. Evergreens can be found on every continent except Antarctica. The leaves of evergreens are usually thicker and more leathery than trees or plants that lose their leaves in the fall, like oaks or maple trees. Some evergreens can grow to be 350 feet tall, like the California redwood, while others can be just a few feet tall. Not all evergreens are green. Some have needles or leaves that could be blue or yellow. While some people think of evergreens as being in the south where it's warm, many evergreens can thrive in very cold temperatures as well. Many evergreens' leaves are referred to as needles. A leaf or needle can stay on an evergreen for 2 years or more. Over millions of years, evergreens have adapted to keep their leaves or needles throughout the changing seasons. Some people think that evergreens keep their needles forever, but they don't. They shed them over a longer period of time instead of all at once. Let's see what we've learned today. Evergreen or not? Not. Evergreen or not? Not. Evergreen, yes. Well, that's all the time we have today for evergreens. Until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy.